My name is Matt Wells, and I have the privilege of being the director of the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation. In addition to running our amazing system of state parks and natural area preserves, we are also the Commonwealth's lead floodplain management agency. And so for Flood Awareness Week, I am with Brandy Buford, the Virginia State National Flood Insurance Program coordinator here at the department, to talk about flooding. So Brandy, if you would, talk about a little bit about the roles and responsibility of DCR's floodplain management division.
Thank you, Director Wells, so much for your time today, and thank you for having me. So our roles and responsibilities here at DCR is to primarily act as a liaison between the National Flood Insurance Program and the State Code of Virginia. We work with local communities as well as state agencies and the federal government to provide outreach and educational support, provide general technical assistance, provide mitigation assistance, disaster recovery assistance, as well as oversee compliance with communities that are participating in the National Flood Insurance Program.
I've got a homeowner policy. Does that homeowner policy cover flood damage?
That is a great question. And the truth is probably not. Most homeowners insurance policies, as well as renters insurance policies, actually do not cover damage caused by flooding. So that is going to be a separate policy that you would have to get from your insurance agent.
Is flood damage expensive in a home?
Yes, flood damage is very expensive. As a matter of fact, the National Flood Insurance Program has determined that 1 inch of water can cause upwards of $25,000 worth of damages to a home.
And just what is a flood zone, and how can people learn what flood zone they're in?
So flood zones are areas of risk that are determined on a FEMA flood insurance rate map. And to learn more about these and determine what flood zone designation you're in, you can actually utilize the Virginia Flood Risk Information System, or VFRIS tool, on our website.
So we say a lot where it can rain, it can flood. What does that mean? And why is it important for people to understand that?
Yes, so anywhere it can rain, water can accumulate and in worst case scenario result in flooding damages to your home. As a matter of fact, over 40% of the NFIP insurance claims occur in properties that reside outside of the regulated floodplain or that special flood hazard area. So we know that everyone is at some risk of flooding. Know your risk, protect your property, and get flood insurance.
Great. Well, thank you, Brandy, for your time. I would encourage everyone to go to DCR's website to learn more about what you can do to protect your home against flooding and stay safe out there. Thanks, everybody.